Hi, my name's Daniel with Secure Blockchains. I'm here to give you a brief overview of our new product, Reservoir Lite. Reservoir Lite was designed to allow any XRP holder to be able to send their funds to and from Escrow. To get started, head over to reservoirlite.com. We have some simple directions printed right here on the screen. Also, please ensure that you click here to take a look at our terms of service, and click I agree once you are done reading them. Next, to get started, you will need to select a destination address. You can have the funds deposited back to the same wallet that you send the funds from, or you can choose any other wallet. For this demonstration, I'm going to be sending and receiving from the same wallet, and I'm going to be using the RipX wallet. Once you open the wallet, click here to copy your wallet address, and take note that there's a little over 60 XRP currently here. I'm going to paste the destination address in here, and then I'm going to enter an email address into this field. We use this email address to send you status messages. We also will be emailing you some very important information that is needed to both process your funds to the ledger for Escrow and to retrieve your funds. The next step is to click in the date field. Pick any date that you would like for the Escrow to expire. I'm going to choose today so that this process can be done and I can record the tutorial all in one sitting. Next, click the time field. Select the hour and then the minute that you want the Escrow to expire. I'm just going to choose a few moments in the future. Next, click Submit and then go check your email. The email that you will receive will look like this. It includes two important pieces of information, the invoice ID and the escrow address. Please note that the minimum amount of XRP that we can process is 6 XRP. Copy the invoice ID and then head over to your wallet. Click on the Send tab, click Show Invoice ID, and paste the invoice ID here. Go back to the email and copy the escrow address from the bottom. Paste the escrow address into the recipient field. Then determine the amount of XRP that you would like to escrow. I'm going to send 20. Click Confirm, and once the transaction says successful, you will receive another email. Coming over to Overview, please note that 20 XRP has disappeared from the balance. The next email that you will get will be the Escrow Successful email. This includes very important information. Your transaction hash and fulfillment ID are absolutely necessary to be able to retrieve your funds from Escrow. If you would like, you can head over to XRP Charts and paste your transaction hash into that field to see the status of your Escrow. I'm going to paste the transaction hash here and click Go. The transaction was successful and we escrowed 14.96 XRP. Keep in mind that the total here differs from the total that you sent because 5 XRP is held in owner reserve and we take a 0.25% fee for processing the transaction. The owner reserve will be returned to you as soon as you release Escrow. To release the Escrow, head over to reservoirlite.com/release or click Release Escrow in the top right corner of our navigation bar. Next, enter the email address where you want the confirmation email to be sent. Then reference the Escrow Success email to get your transaction hash and fulfillment ID. Paste the transaction hash in the second line and the fulfillment ID here. Now that the escrow expiration date has passed, click Release Escrow. You will receive 2 transactions. One is the return of the escrow, the other is the return of the 5 XRP owner reserve. Let's switch over to the wallet and check our balance. We're back to 60. This has been a quick demonstration of reservoirlite.com. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Contact at secureblockchains.com.